First, let me show you a few videos.
Good morning, Robbie.
You know what? I figured it out.
What have you figured out, Robbie?
I know the greatest jungle food of all time.
बड़े जंगल में सारे जानवर आपस में मिलजुल कर रहते थे। शेर राजा अपनी ताकत का प्रयोग केवल रक्षा के लिए करता था। हाथी अपनी सूंड से हर किसी की मदद करता।
You have probably seen countless shorts, reels, cartoon video like this all over the internet. Most of them use text-to-voice tools for the voiceover. But the moment you try to use those tools yourself, you hit a paywall and every time they ask for a subscription.
फिर से आ गए रे बाबा, इधर जहर खाने का पैसा नहीं है, तू जा रे।
If that's frustrated you, don't worry, I got a solution. Hey everyone, welcome to Friends with AI. Here we learn AI tools in simplest way. In today's video, I'll share 5 underrated AI tools that let you convert your text into voice completely free. No subscription, no hidden charges.
Oh my god! Wow!
If you create videos, reels or content of any kind, this video is going to save you a lot of money and time. So let's get started. So our first tool is TTS Maker. This is one of powerful tools you can use to convert your text to your audio. So for that, first you have to come to ChatGPT, and here you can ask or you can generate one short story, your script, like create a story of jungle animal under 150 words. It's generating the story. Now you just copy the story script and come here and paste here. You type the capture code. It will ask you to verify as you are human. Okay. Let me give again. Yeah, done.
Deep in the jungle, a small deer named Covey drank from the river each morning. One day, he saw a tiger trapped in thorny vines. Though afraid, Covey called his friends. The elephant broke the vines, the monkey pulled them away, and the parrot watched for danger. The tiger
So nicely generated the audio clip. So from here you can change the voice. Let me try this.
Deep in the jungle, a small deer named Covey drank from the river each morning. One day, he saw
From this setting, you can add the background music. You can explore this section. You can change the voice speed, voice tone, pitch adjustment, etc. etc. And from this download voice button, you can easily download the audio MP3 clip in your local. See, it's downloaded.
Deep in the jungle, a small deer named Covey drank from the river each morning.
So our next tool is Clipchamp. So what you have to do, when you open the application, you will come to this page and you have to come to record and create. There the last option, create text to speech, and we'll be using the same script. Just copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it here and preview. It's generating.
In the heart of the jungle, a young deer named Kiko believed speed was everything. He laughed at Turtle, who moved slowly but watched carefully.
And save. If you notice, it generated with the actual tone, all the full stop, comma, and all the mood with the emotion. From here, you can change the voice tone. Preview.
In the heart of the jungle,
Yeah.
a young deer named Kiko believed speed was everything. He laughed at Turtle, who moved slowly but watched carefully. One dry...
And after that, you have to save it. Once it is done, you have to click the export button and audio only. And it's done. It's saved in your local. So our next tool is text-to-voice.org. Simply have to come Google, search text-to-voice.org and you will get this interface. Simply here you have to paste your script, and again we'll be using the same script here. Paste and generate audio. It will generate. Done. Also, you can change your voice. English, and male voice. And generate. It's generating. And after that you can download. Your voiceover is ready. Also, it provides so many languages. You can explore this section. Let's try Hindi. Now we'll convert this text in Hindi. And we'll paste it here. Sometime for internet problem it will give generation failed, but you don't need to worry. You can try multiple times. It perfectly generated the Hindi voiceover. So you can explore this. So our next tool is TTS free. Simply we have to search ttsfree.com. And if you scroll, you'll get this section. Here you have to paste your script. We'll be using the same script, and please mark it. In one shot you can paste only 500 characters per conversation, and if you need more you have to log in. So it pasted, and now click on the convert now. It's done.
Deep in the jungle, a small deer named Covey drank from the river each morning.
Also, you can change the character.
Deep in the jungle, a small deer named Covey drank from the river each morning.
Here you can adjust voice pitch and voice speed. Also, you can add the background music. You can use from your local. Also, you can use from YouTube. And once you're satisfied, just click download MP3. It's downloaded. Now I'll show you our last tools, that is ChatGPT. Yeah guys, you heard it right, ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, you can convert your text to voice easily. Let me show you. So here you already generated one script. Let's suppose you have a script. What you have to do, you just enter the script here. For now I'm using the same script, and after that you have to type repeat after me. So it will give the same script as it is. And after that what you have to do, you have to click the read loud button.
Deep in the jungle, a small deer named Kavi drank from the river each morning. One day he saw a tiger trapped in thorny vines. Though afraid, Kavi called his friends.
It will give you the exact voice tone following all the comma, hyphen, full stop, etc. If you are not satisfied with the voice, you can change the voice from here. From your profile, you have to go to setting and general. From voice, you can change the voice to, let me try the soul. So I selected soul and play.
Hey, what's up? Feel
This
free
soul.
to ask me about anything that's on your mind. I'm ready to go.
So let me try here.
Deep in the jungle,
Yeah.
a small deer named Kavi drank from the river each
Now
morning.
soul speaking.
One day he saw a tiger trapped in thorny vines.
Now
Though
question
afraid,
is
Kavi
how you can download. For that you have to give some effort, as you're getting it free. So you have to do some effort. First, what you have to do, in your Chrome you have to open any screen recorder, any. For now I'm using screenrecorder.com. So here what you have to do, you have to record your screen. So from here you can start recorder. Check the website, this is screenrecorder.com, and from here you have to start recorder. You select your tab, that is ChatGPT tab, and share. Play. You come here, you read loud.
Deep in the jungle, a small deer named Kavi drank from the river each morning. One day he saw a tiger trapped in thorny vines. Though afraid, Kavi called his friends.
Yeah. Now you come here and pause it. Done recording. Yeah, you got it here. You come here. You read loud.
Deep in the jungle,
Yeah.
a small deer named Kavi drank from the river each morning. One day he saw a tiger trapped in thorny vines. Though afraid, Kavi called his
Now
friend.
you got your audio clip in MP4 format. right? So you have to convert that MP4 to MP3. For that, in Google you'll get so many converter MP4 to MP3. So for now I'm using freeconvert.com. so here you can choose your file, screen recording, and open, convert. Yeah guys, I understand this is kind of lengthy process, but for lifetime free you can generate as many voice as you want. So yeah, it's done and easily you can download it. So these are the 5 tools that can help you create high quality content easily. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you found it helpful, please share it with others who might need it. And please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video and let me know in the comment section which tools sounds more human to you. Also, if you have any question, if you have any specific tools in your mind or want me to create a video on a particular topic, drop it in the comment below. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.